Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the future of making money with AI. 12 insane AI-powered product ideas for passive income. Thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars per month. Ready to have your minds blown? Let's do this. First up, we've got AI-powered chatbots. These bad boys are like having a whole team of salespeople working for you 24/7, even while you're catching some Z's. Imagine a chatbot on your site answering questions, qualifying leads, and closing deals, all on autopilot. With AI, businesses automate service and rake in passive income. It's like printing money while you sleep. Let's dive into the world of AI-generated art. Can AI really be creative? You have no idea. AI tools can create stunning, unique digital art. Artists are selling these online for serious cash. From abstract paintings to photorealistic portraits, AI does it all. Ever dream of being a blogger, influencer, or online content creator but hate staring at a blank page? AI's got your back. Platforms use AI to generate high-quality blog posts, social media content, even video scripts, you name it. Perfect for businesses needing tons of content or individuals building an online presence. Monetize that content, and boom, passive income. Chapter 4. AI-based stock trading bots. Become a Wall Street wizard, sort of. For all you aspiring Wall Street sharks, AI-based stock trading bots are like personal stockbrokers that never sleep and analyze the market with lightning speed. These bots can buy and sell stocks automatically, potentially generating passive income. It's like having a money-making robot working for you. Chapter 5. AI-powered e-commerce, create an online selling machine. If you're selling online, you need to use AI. AI solutions optimize your store for maximum sales, from personalized product recommendations to AI chatbots assisting customers. Imagine a website so smart it sells itself. That's AI in e-commerce. Chapter 6. AI-enhanced online courses. Teach the world and cash in. Calling all educators and experts. AI is revolutionizing online courses. Create personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs. Imagine an online course that adapts to each student's learning style and provides custom feedback. AI can help automate tasks like grading and student support, freeing up your time to create more awesome content. Ever wonder how companies know exactly what customers want? Market research powered by AI makes it easier to gather and analyze massive data, uncover hidden trends, identify profitable niches, and predict future market behavior. This information is incredibly valuable, and you can sell it for a pretty penny. Want to get your website to the top of Google? Of course you do. AI-powered SEO tools can help you. They analyze your site, track rankings, and suggest improvements. More traffic, more leads, more sales, thanks to AI. AI is changing how we manage money. AI-based apps track spending, analyze investments, and provide personalized financial advice. Some apps automate savings and investment strategies, helping you grow wealth on autopilot. It's like having a finance guru in your pocket. Chapter 10. AI-generated music. Compose a symphony, no music degree required. Calling all music lovers. Even if you can't tell a treble clef from a bass clef, you can still create amazing music with AI. AI tools can compose original music in various genres, from classical to hip-hop. Imagine selling your AI-generated tunes online or using them in your own creative projects. Endless possibilities. Chapter 11. AI-powered virtual assistants. Fire your boss, hire a robot. Imagine having your own personal assistant who works 24/7, never takes a break. That's what AI-powered virtual assistants can do. They manage emails, schedule appointments, make phone calls, and even run your social media accounts, all while you focus on what really matters. Chapter 12. AI-driven language translation. Break down language barriers, build up your bank account. In today's globalized world, there's a huge demand for language translation services. AI-driven tools make it easier to break down language barriers and connect globally. Use these tools to translate websites, documents, and real-time conversations and get paid for it. Outrow the future of passive income is now. Thanks for watching. If you found these AI-powered digital product ideas helpful, make sure to like, comment, And subscribe for more content like this. We're dropping insane value bombs every week. See you in the next video.